Greetings from Rachna Sagar Private Limited. We welcome all the principals and teachers to our very innovative experiential lab, our experiential expedition, which takes you on a journey from curiosity to confidence. So, let me take you on a tour.
In our experiential lab, you will find interactive pedagogical resources in form of educational kits. These kits meet the need of curricular goals designed by NEP and NCF.
Our kits are available for the kindergarten section as well as for classes 1 to 5. Let me now present to you our kits for the kindergarten section, which we proudly call as E-Fly with Joy. These kits are designed in form of 2 boxes, our Students Mojo Kit and our Mentors Mojo Kit. Our Students Mojo Kit are available for the A level, B level and C level, which is the nursery level, LKG and UKG. We also have well-prepared material for our teachers in the Mentors Mojo Kit. It's time for a sneak peek into our E-Fly with Joy boxes. First of all, we have our Mentors Mojo Kit. As you can see the elaborate display, there are various materials: games, popsicles, puppets, posters. We have our envelopes in these boxes. We also have our progress report, which is of course the report card. Here's our Students Mojo Kit. We have our books along with these kits. Little Hands at Work Students Mojo Kit. The teacher can guide the student and explain all the activities and experiments that are related to this material with the help of this manual. With all the Student Mojo Kits A, B and C, we have complementary Mentors Mojo Kit. For classes 1 to 5, our kits cater to primarily 4 subjects: Science, SST, EVS and Mathematics. Our kits contain hands-on activity for inquiry and discovery-oriented learning. They promote curiosity and cross-cultural knowledge through experiential learning. And what's more, our kits are aligned with 5 C's of NEP and NCF. First of all, we have the science subject. Here is class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4 and class 5. It's time we open our Mentor Mojo boxes and see what's there inside. Our Mentors Mojo box, class 1. Here we have the graphic novel, the VBQ cards, communication cards and so many other things. In our instruction manual, you will find chapter-wise explanation of all activities and how the material is to be used. We choose the topic that we want to teach in the classroom. We come to our experiential lab, look for the materials that are aligned with the particular chapter. The teacher takes this to the classroom, uses it for experiential learning, brings it back to the lab, keeps it where it was taken from, and allows for other teachers to use the same. These are our Curious Mind science kits for our budding scientists who are going to use these very innovative materials for doing experiments.
Likewise, the teaching learning materials for other subjects can be used for making lessons engaging and effective.